It's not like your parents don't believe in you. They are just scared of the generation that they went through and they just want a safety for you. What I mean by this line is actually a thing that most of you can relate. हमारी जनरेशन में पेरेंट्स का क्या सीन है कि बहुत सारा पेरेंट्स ना इस चीज़ के बारे में सोचते हैं कि इफ़ माई चाइल्ड गेट अ स्टेबल जॉब और अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब हिज और हर लाइफ will be set. Their thinking is something like that. Okay, तुम बहुत सारे लोग इससे रिलेट कर पा रहे होगे, ठीक है. आज हमारी जनरेशन में क्या सीन चल रहा है कि many people wants to start their own businesses, many people wants to go abroad and study, many people wants to follow their passion, ठीक है. ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही हैं, ठीक है. बस उस टाइम पे 90s में 80s में जब हमारे पेरेंट्स वर बॉर्न, ठीक है, उस टाइम पे क्या सीन चलता था कि लाइक इफ़ यू हैव अ स्टेबल जॉब योर लाइफ इज सेट. People will think of you that you are the most successful person in the society. But it's not like that. Things have heavily changed, actually. Why am I talking like Prakhar? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm watching too much of Prakhar podcast. Okay. This topic is very, very important for the people who went through that kind of situations. I'm talking about the parents, actually. They actually need to understand that we are not incapable. We just want to create what we are actually capable of, what we are made to do, what we are born to do. If someone's goal is money, okay, let that child do a business of their own. But हमारी जनरेशन में ना उनकी जनरेशन जैसे चीज़ें नहीं थी, ठीक है. 90s 80s में क्या होता था कि उस टाइम पे ज़्यादा बिजनेसेस को ज़्यादा प्रमोट नहीं किया जाता था, ठीक है. उस टाइम पे मैक्सिमम स्टार्टअप्स भी जो आते थे पर ईयर बस लाइक समवेयर अराउंड 30, 40, 50. आज के टाइम पे सिर्फ 3 साल में 9 लाख स्टार्टअप है. कैन यू इमेजिन द डिफरेंस? एंड उस टाइम पे क्या होता था कि दे हैव सीन द पीपल हु स्टार्टेड देयर बिजनेसेस, हु फॉलोड देयर पैशन, ओके, एंड दे गॉट नथिंग. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर स्केयर्ड. इट्स नॉट लाइक दे डोंट बिलीव इन यू. दे आर स्केयर्ड ऑफ द लाइफ दैट अ फेल्ड पर्सन हैव. That's why they want you to have a stable career, because they don't want you to suffer. And like किसी के पेरेंट्स को ये चीज़ नहीं मतलब चाहिए होगी ना, ठीक है, उनका बच्चा सफ़र करे, ठीक है. That's why they always tell you to get a stable job. And most of us are very, very, irritated by that line, क्या हो get a job, why don't you just study and follow the basic route of a stable life? But we don't want that. Just like me, I failed 3 startups till now, but I'm still young. I still want to build 5 more. Whether I fail or maybe succeed, I don't care about that. That's the current mentality of youth. And हमारी जनरेशन में ना उनकी जनरेशन की तरह वो एक peer pressure नहीं है अब, ठीक है. Many people don't care about other people. Many people don't care about their family at all, ठीक है. वो क्या वो सोच रहे हैं, ठीक है. We have only 50 years. It's not like we have 50 years. It's the line have already changed. It's something like I have only word, only 50 years. I don't care about people. I actually want to do what I want to do. And that's actually a good mentality, a Western mentality actually. हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेते हैं उधर की तरफ से, mentality and बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेते हैं वेस्ट की तरफ से, क्योंकि we were colonizer, of course. So this is what I was talking about. And there's one more thing that I want to talk about is, जब ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं, ठीक है, when your parents are telling you that you should get a job or something like that, you should never explain or over explain yourself. उनको वो भी चाहते हैं, ठीक है. They want you to get famous or make a lot of money, but they are just scared, ठीक है. You need to justify yourself by your actions, by your results. They actually care about that. Don't just try to convince that I want to do, I can do. It's not like that, ठीक है. उनको हमेशा यही लगेगा कि you are immature right now. That's why you are saying all this kind of stuff. So just go and do what you want to and prove them that you were right. That's the only way that you can actually create something valuable. And if you look outside of India, ठीक है, सबकी मेंटालिटी ऐसी है. चाइना चले जाओ, कोरिया चले जाओ, जापान चले जाओ, अमेरिका चले जाओ, फ्रांस चले जाओ, इटली चले जाओ, जर्मनी चले जाओ, सब जगह मेंटालिटी ऐसी ही है, ठीक है. वो थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा डेवलप्ड कंट्री है, तो उनकी थोड़ी सोच हमसे ज़्यादा चलती थी इस चीज़ को लेकर के, इसलिए वहाँ पर सिलिकॉन वैली सबसे जल्दी बनी, ठीक है। वहाँ पर स्टार्टअप बहुत जल्दी आए, ठीक है। बट आने वाले टाइम में 5 से 10 साल में इंडिया में भी ऐसे स्टार्टअप्स बनेंगे जो कि ग्लोबल लेवल पर तबाही मचाने वाले हैं भाई, ठीक है। आई एम ऑलरेडी ऑफ द टॉपिक बट दिस इज द रियलिटी, ठीक है। सो गो गेट योर सेल्फ एंड प्रूव योर सेल्फ, गो प्रूव योर सेल्फ, ठीक है, दैट यू कैन डू, you made the fucking right choice. Whether if you are earning 2 crores a month, maybe 2 crore, 5 crore, this is very up. No matter how much you are earning, if you're not happy, if you don't want to do your job that is paying your bills, waste of time. Actually, do what you want to. That's what this generation actually taught us. Okay. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to like भड़ास निकालनी थी कि यार this topic has to be covered in my videos.